Ever bitten into a Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich and thought, that's a proper tasty bit of grub? You're not alone. Millions line up for that crispy, juicy chicken in a soft, buttery bun every day. What's the secret? Some say it's a mysterious recipe, but you don't need a treasure map to enjoy it at home. With a few clever tricks, you can recreate the magic in your own kitchen. Grab your apron, let's uncover the secrets behind this beloved sandwich and make you a chicken sandwich champion. Every great invention has a story, and sometimes, the most delicious ideas come from the most unexpected places. Behind every bite we enjoy, there's a spark of creativity, a moment of inspiration, and a journey filled with trial and error. Today, we're diving into the origins of a sandwich that changed the way America eats, one that started as a simple experiment and became a beloved classic. Our tale begins in the heart of Georgia, back in 1946, a time when diners were bustling, jukeboxes played the latest tunes, and the world was hungry for something new. In a small but lively eatery, the Dwarf Grill, a culinary adventure was about to unfold. Truett Cathy, the imaginative owner of the Dwarf Grill, noticed something others overlooked: small, tender chicken breasts that airlines had rejected. While most saw them as leftovers, Cathy saw an opportunity. He wondered if these overlooked cuts could become the star of a new dish. At a time when beef burgers dominated every menu, Cathy dared to ask, why not put chicken in a sandwich? It was a bold, even quirky idea, but sometimes, the best inventions come from challenging the status quo and thinking outside the box. Cathy spent years experimenting in his kitchen, determined to create something truly special. He tried different cooking methods, but it was the pressure fryer, a new invention at the time, that unlocked the secret. This technique made the chicken incredibly juicy on the inside, while giving it a perfectly crispy golden crust on the outside. After countless trials in 1964, Cathy finally introduced his masterpiece, the Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich. It was simple, just a toasted, buttered bun, 2 tangy pickles, and that perfectly cooked chicken breast. No frills, no fancy toppings, just honest, mouth-watering flavor. The beauty of the sandwich was in its simplicity. It didn't need anything extra to stand out. The taste spoke for itself, and people quickly took notice. Word spread fast. Soon, crowds were lining up at the diner, eager to try this new creation. The humble chicken sandwich became a sensation, and what started as a small idea in a Georgia kitchen grew into a nationwide phenomenon. All thanks to one man's clever idea, relentless curiosity, and a passion for perfecting every detail. The Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich is more than just a meal. It's a tasty reminder that innovation can come from anywhere, and that sometimes, the simplest ideas are the ones that change the world. So, what's the secret? It's all about the brine, pickle juice. Marinating chicken in dill pickle juice makes it moist and tangy. The breading, a mix of flour, spices, and a pinch of powdered sugar for that golden color and subtle flavor. Spices like paprika, black pepper, garlic, and onion powder create a balanced blend. Chick-fil-A fries in peanut oil for a crispy crust and clean taste, but canola or vegetable oil works too. Each step adds up to that signature flavor. No single ingredient shouts. It's the harmony that makes it irresistible. Ready to try it yourself? Let's get started on making the ultimate chicken sandwich. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need fresh, boneless chicken breasts. These will be the star of our show, so try to pick ones that are plump and juicy. Lay them out on your counter and get ready for a fun kitchen adventure. Next, grab a bowl of tangy dill pickle juice and a separate bowl of all-purpose flour. The pickle juice will give our chicken a unique, mouth-watering flavor, while the flour is essential for that crispy coating we all love. Don't forget a spoonful of powdered sugar for a hint of sweetness and a selection of your favorite spices. Think paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and a pinch of cayenne for a little kick. These spices will make every bite burst with flavor. You'll also need a large egg, some creamy milk, a bottle of peanut oil for frying, soft hamburger buns, a stick of butter, and plenty of sliced pickles for that classic crunch. Lay everything out so it's within easy reach. Start by flattening the chicken breasts to an even thickness. Use a rolling pin or a mallet. This helps them cook evenly and stay juicy inside. Take your time and make sure each piece is about half an inch thick. Place the chicken in a bowl and pour over the pickle juice. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes or even longer if you want extra flavor. This step is key for tender, flavorful chicken. While the chicken marinates, mix together the flour, powdered sugar and all those wonderful spices in a shallow dish. Stir well so every bite will be perfectly seasoned. In another bowl, whisk together the egg and milk until smooth. Once the chicken is done marinating, pat it dry with paper towels, then dip each piece into the egg wash, making sure it's fully coated. Next, press the chicken into the flour mixture, turning to coat both sides thoroughly. This is what gives the chicken that irresistible crunch when fried. Set the breaded chicken pieces on a wire rack. Letting them rest for a few minutes helps the coating stick better and makes for a crispier crust. Now pour peanut oil into a heavy pot and heat it to about 350 degrees, or 175 degrees. Use a thermometer to check the temperature. This ensures the chicken fries up perfectly golden and not greasy. Carefully lower the chicken pieces into the hot oil, frying them in batches so you don't overcrowd the pot. Cook each side for 3 to 5 minutes, turning with tongs until the coating is crisp and deep golden brown. When the chicken is beautifully golden and cooked through, lift it out of the oil and let any excess drip off. Place the fried chicken on a clean wire rack. This keeps it crispy while it cools slightly, and lets any extra oil drain away. Meanwhile, butter your hamburger buns and toast them in a hot pan until they're golden and fragrant. This step adds a delicious buttery crunch to your sandwich. Now comes the best part, assembling your masterpiece. Place a crispy chicken breast on the bottom bun, top with plenty of pickles, and crown it with the toasted top bun. Take a moment to admire your creation, then dig in and enjoy every bite of your homemade chicken sandwich. Frying is where the magic happens. Get the oil hot but not smoking. Don't overcrowd the pot. Fry chicken until deep golden and cooked through. Let it rest on a wire rack for maximum crunch. Toasted, buttered buns are key. They add flavor and keep things from getting soggy. The result? Crispy, juicy chicken in a warm, pillowy bun. Simple steps, but each one matters. Now, let's build the perfect sandwich. It's assembly time. Let's start with the classic foundation. A soft golden buttered bun, fresh from the toaster, warm and inviting. This is the base of your masterpiece, the canvas for your creativity. Place it on your table and get ready to build something delicious. Next, layer on those tangy pickles for a burst of flavor, followed by a perfectly crispy chicken fillet. The crunch of the chicken and the zing of the pickles create a combination that's simply irresistible. Now, crown your creation with the top bun. Just like that, you've got a classic sandwich. But why stop there? The tangy pickles and juicy chicken are a match made in heaven, but you can take it further. Want to get creative? Add a slice of melty cheese, crisp lettuce, or juicy tomato for extra flavor and color, or maybe a swipe of creamy mayo for richness. And don't forget the sides. Waffle fries are a classic choice. Just bake them until golden, sprinkle with salt, and serve them hot and crispy alongside your sandwich. Want to take your meal to the next level? Try making your own Chick-fil-A style sauce. Start with a base of mayo, then add a spoonful of barbecue sauce and a dash of mustard. Mix it all together for a tangy, smoky, and slightly sweet dip that's perfect for both your sandwich and fries. For a touch of sweetness, drizzle in some honey. This homemade sauce is a game changer, and you can adjust the flavors to suit your taste. Or, if you're in the mood for something lighter, serve your sandwich with a side of creamy coleslaw. Or, try a fresh fruit salad for a bright, refreshing twist. If you want to keep things light, slice the chicken and toss it over a bed of greens for a hearty salad. The possibilities are endless. Your kitchen, your rules. Have fun experimenting and make it your own. After all, the best sandwich is always the one you love to eat most. Amazing how a simple sandwich became an icon, isn't it? Truett Cathy named Chick-fil-A to promise grade A chicken, and now they sell 5 sandwiches every second. It's not fancy, just good chicken, a soft bun, and pickles. That's the charm. Honest, delicious, and comforting. Now you know the secrets: pickle brine, powdered sugar, peanut oil. Whether you stick to the classic or add your own twist, you're part of a tasty tradition. So go on, make yourself a cracking good sandwich.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.